panahon ngayon, parang gusto ko na lang ibenta sarili ko. Para may tumawag sa aking mahal.
My husband, why you talking many girls? You jumping.
No, of course not. What are you talking about?
You see my opponent earlier. She is very pretty. What you do? You go to her and then back to me. You jumping. Why like that?
Oh, my wife. You know, I was weak, okay? She was, like you said, really, really, really pretty, you know? I just had a moment of weakness. But I came back.
That is what you do when you see pretty woman. You jumping. You go there. You send gift of there. Oh, and you give.
Not all. Not all pretty woman.
I thought I am the only one. Why you go to there and send her I love you? Why is that?
My wife. You know I love you. Come on.
You love me.
It's just a moment of weakness. Like you
love
said, she
me.
was really, really pretty. Even she caught your eye.
Who is pretty? Me or her?
You are mirror on the wall, prettiest of them all.
Heh?
Naks! Ganda mo ah.
Ako, wag mo akong binibiro.
Totoo! Maganda ka.
Wow. Salamat.
May 50 ka dyan.
Where are you from?
Yes, I'm from 19. Hey, Zay, nakaibog. Kinong pa kinakoy ka-chat afam. Mga tagwarta.
How old are you?
Philippines! Hoy, bogo! Pila daw ang edad nimo? Philippines ka karon. Awa? Pila daw edad ato? Ali, ikaw na lang kuan, Risa. Ikaw na lang kuan. Ikay sob, ali. Sige, P. Hi, Daddy. Where you age?
Tommy.
Yeah.
I want you to sing of me. Tommy.
Yeah.
I want you to sing of me.
Sing of you?
Sing for me ba? Sing a song ba for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. How's that?
No! For the love for sick ba? For the love for sick.
Huh?
For the love you sing, not ABCD for kindergarten. Sam, I don't have papaya, Sam, yeah?
What's papaya?
What's a melon? Papaya. I don't have papaya. I have only guava.